The snow in the Pyrenees of Huesca forces the Portalet pass to be closed. There are 2 roads closed and 25 with chains since this Saturday the State Meteorological Agency activated the red alert in the Pyrenees of Huesca. Maximum risk, due to snowfall and wind. The mass of Arctic air announced by the State Meteorological Agency, Aemet, for this weekend in the north of the peninsula entered the Pyrenees of Huesca this Saturday afternoon and is leaving copious snowfall. The snow that has fallen in the last few hours is complicating traffic on the roads of the province,